Are protective styles really protecting your hair? I'm Scarlett, the creator of Wonder Curl, and in this video, we'll explore this further. Some natural hairstylists would say, no, protective styles don't protect your hair. It would even go as far as saying that there is no such thing as a protective style. They are just hairstyles. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this information helpful, and be sure to share with anyone you think would benefit from this information. It helps this channel to grow so more people can get great hair care education. So, what is a protective style? According to Wikipedia, a protective hairstyle is a hairstyle that tucks the hair away and keeps it free from manipulation. Protective hairstyles include braids, wigs, locks, and twists. Since anytime we manipulate our hair, for example, brushing or washing our hair, causes some damage, then giving our hair a break from these things would help it. And because our hair, that's Afro-textured hair, tends to be more fragile and can break more easily, then protecting it in these styles should reduce breakage, right? So what is the problem with so-called protective styles? Well, first, you can get product buildup. When you add your leave-in to your hair to moisturize it and constantly do this without washing your hair, it causes the conditioners and oils in your product to build up on your hair. 2, it traps shed hair. We shed 50 to 200 strands of hair per day, and while your hair is in a style where your hair isn't loose, those strands will stay trapped. So when you finally take your hair down, all the shed hair will come out at the same time, and sometimes it's going to take regular strands with it. 3, you might be leaving it in too long and or the style is too tight. Sometimes you'll put it in a style tightly with the idea that this will make it last longer. And this type of tension can weaken your hair follicles to the point that you can no longer grow hair. And this is called tension alopecia. Sometimes the follicle will heal, but if it's severely damaged, it is permanent. And leaving your style in too long can cause your hair to become dry and brittle. And 4, you can shampoo your hair while it is in a protective style, but you can't get all that dirt and pollutants out of your hair. So keep in mind that if you're just adding hair that's synthetic, that synthetic hair can suck the moisture out of your natural hair as well. So we talked about the bad. What can you do to keep your hair protected, keeping it in a low maintenance style? Well, I say that moisturized hair is protected hair. And so you want to do styles that will allow you to effectively wash your hair and scalp, as well as condition it thoroughly after. You should be washing your hair at least weekly, sometimes every other week. And if you're doing a longer term style, then you shouldn't leave it in any longer than 4 weeks. And speaking of long-term styles, and that's like your braids, weaves, crochet braids, you shouldn't be doing them back to back. Meaning as soon as you take them out, you put them back in. You should give your natural hair a break. Twists, braids, bantu knots, buns, using your own hair will reduce friction on your hair and can easily be taken down weekly to wash your hair. Use thicker creams such as the sealing hair butter to reduce moisture loss so your hair will stay hydrated while in those styles. And well, do you believe in protective styles for your hair, or do you have a story where it didn't work for you? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.